Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Imam Ali was busy in digging a well of water for a Jew. At the same time, a beggar came near Imam and asked, "O the son of Abu Talib, help me. I don't have money to feed my family, and nor have the power to do something." Imam Ali ordered his son Hassan, "Go to your mother and bring the money that we had saved to buy flour, and tell your mother that the Prophet has said, man's faith does not reach the level of perfection until he believes in his God more than himself." When the beggar heard these words, he said, "God bless your pure and righteous family. God bless you." At the same time, a person who intended to sell his camel passed through. Hazrat Ali bought his camel for 40 dirhams, and it was decided that the money will be paid tomorrow morning. At the same time, a person was walking nearby. When he saw the camel, he said to Hazrat Ali, "O the son of Abu Talib, what a nice camel! Would you like to sell this camel to me for 100 dirhams? Hazrat Ali sold his camel for 100 dirhams, and gave 40 dirhams to the person whom he bought the camel from, and took the other 60 dirhams with him to his house. When Hazrat Fatima saw the money in the hands of Imam Ali, she asked, "Where did this money come from?" Hazrat Ali replied, "This is the promise of God, about which your father had said, whoever performs good work, the great God will grant him 10 times equal to it in the world."